Hello, this is mathjazz from Almost Cool, and I'm here with a mathematician.
Bonjour.
And I felt compelled to make this video because of the recent events regarding Notre Dame Cathedral. Um, the cathedral at Notre Dame is an inspiration to many people. It's a historical artifact of amazing architectural value, and it's been a symbol of faith and stability to many people for many years. There's a reason why we picked to we picked Notre Dame as our first major build on the server, and that's because of how important this building is. Now, neither the mathematician nor I are French, neither of us are Catholic, but I feel like I speak for both of us when we say that something was lost yesterday in the fire that was truly precious. And we wish France and Paris and the Catholic Church the best of luck in repairing and restoring this wonderful building. Is there anything that you'd like to say, Mr. Mathematician?
Oui. Oui, oui.
Yes, yes.
That's all I got.
So, um, I mean, this model here that we made is a poor shadow of the magnificence of the actual structure. But it was made with respect and reverence toward the actual building, and we hope that all of the people who are affected, which are really all of us, because this was a world treasure, can join with us in wishing the best to all of those involved. Thank you.